This project uses one 8-foot 2x4 as well as an additional 12 inches of another 2x4. I started by cutting the 2x4s into pieces according to my cut list. After all the pieces were cut, I used my table saw to rip everything down to 1.5 inches. There are 8 pieces cut from the 2x4. Each of these pieces ripped down to 1.5 inches, making a total of 16 pieces for this project. Once all the pieces were ripped down, I used the Kreg pocket hole jig to drill 2 pocket holes on either side of the support rails. I used 150 grit sandpaper to sand down all the pieces so I could stain them before I assembled the table. I used dark walnut stain so that it would match the chair I'm building this table for. I assembled this table one side at a time. I attached one support rail to 2 legs, using my clamp to not only hold them together while putting the screws in, but also to align the pieces so they are flush with one another. Once both leg assemblies are together, I use the other 2 support rails to attach both leg assemblies together. And unlike I did, make sure the pocket holes are on the inside of the table, otherwise you'll need to take it apart and fix it. What I did was use the drill bit that came with my pocket hole jig and marked it with a piece of tape at the depth I wanted. Using this drill bit serves 2 purposes. It drills a pilot hole for the screws as well as a countersink to hide the heads of the screws. I attach one top piece flush on one end and I attach another top piece flush with the opposite end. Once these are securely attached, place all the remaining top pieces in between the 2 mounted pieces. Space them out evenly, then mark the support rail with the center of each of these pieces. Once everything is marked, turn the table over and drill the remaining pilot holes. Now you can screw the rest of the top pieces together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.